Hi everyone! Want to use ChatGPT or AI assistants directly on WhatsApp? Here's how to connect WhatsApp with AI and make your chats way smarter. Let's get started. There's no official ChatGPT plugin for WhatsApp yet, but you can use a trusted third-party bots like BodyGPT or Wiz AI and more. Just visit their official site and click Try on WhatsApp. Then, after clicking the link, WhatsApp will open with a pre-filled messages like "Hi." Hit the send and boom, you're now chatting with an AI. You can now ask for help with writing, translation, recipes, relationship, advice, or even a code. It works like a chat GPT but inside WhatsApp. Most of these bots offer limited free messages daily. To unlock more, you need to upgrade or switch between free ones. And stay safe. Never share sensitive info like passwords or personal IDs. These are still third party services. And that's how you use ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Quick, smart, and super useful. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite AI tool in the comments. Thanks for watching!